In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a flowchart in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're creating a process diagram, mapping out a workflow, or building a presentation for school or work, PowerPoint makes it surprisingly easy to design clean and professional flowcharts. I'll show you two methods, using SmartArt for a quick automatic layout, and creating one manually using Shapes for full customization. Make sure to watch until the end so you can decide which method works best for you. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and either create a new blank presentation or open an existing slide where you want your flowchart to appear. Once you're inside your slide, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slide. For the first method, we're going to use SmartArt. After clicking Insert, click on SmartArt. A new window will pop up showing different categories of graphics. From the list on the left, select Process. This section includes multiple flow-style diagrams that are perfect for creating flowcharts quickly. Choose the layout that best fits your needs, such as a basic process or a vertical process, and then click OK. PowerPoint will automatically insert the flowchart layout onto your slide. Now you'll see a text pane that says Type your text here. Simply click inside each text box and start typing your steps. As you enter your content, the flowchart will automatically adjust to fit your text. If you need to add more steps, you can press Enter in the text pane to add another shape. This method is perfect if you want something fast, clean, and professionally aligned without manually adjusting shapes. Now let me show you how to create a flowchart manually for more flexibility and control. Go to a new slide so we can start fresh. Again, click on Insert in the top menu, but this time select Shapes. You'll see a large drop-down with different shape categories. For flowcharts, you can use rectangles for process steps, diamonds for decisions, and ovals for start and end points. Click on any shape you want to use, then click and drag on your slide to draw it. You can resize it by dragging the corners and reposition it anywhere on the slide. After placing your first shape, click inside it and type your text. To add another step, go back to Insert, click on Shapes again, choose another shape, and drag it onto the slide. Repeat this process for as many steps as you need in your flowchart. Once your shapes are placed, we need to connect them. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, and this time select a line or connector. Under the Line section, choose a straight line or an arrow connector. Click and drag from one shape to another to connect them. When connected properly, the line will snap into place on the shape's connection points. Continue drawing and connecting lines between all your shapes to show the flow of the process. If you want arrows, you can format the lines by clicking on them and selecting Shape Format to adjust the arrow style, thickness, or color. To make your flowchart look more professional, you can align shapes evenly by selecting multiple shapes while holding down the Control key, then going to Shape Format and using the Align tools. You can also use the Distribute options to space everything evenly. And that's it. You now know two different ways to make a flowchart in PowerPoint. Use SmartArt if you want speed and automatic formatting, or use Shapes if you want complete creative control and customization. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.